What's up, everyone? It's me here, Terry. Today we got a new liquid death flavor. This is Cider. It's limited edition. I only decided to buy one though because I don't drink liquid death that often. Here we have a Cajun chicken sandwich from the gas station. We'll try a bite of the chicken sandwich first. Try a bite of it. We're gonna wash it down with our liquid death here. Baby, I'm good. Really good for a gas station chicken sandwich. But the real star of the show here was Cider. Fingernails. Come on. There we go. I got it. Whew. Well, not bad. Not the most carbonation, but yeah, it tastes like cider. Give it that. Overall, not bad. Something to wash down a gas station chicken sandwich with it, though, at least. Good to talk to you guys later. Peace out.